how to hide and unhide apps on iPhone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a new feature in iOS 18 that allows you to hide apps on your iPhone. If this video helps, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel, as it really helps me out. First, go to Settings, and then in General, select Software Update to ensure you're running iOS 18. Next, long press the app you want to hide, select Require Face ID, choose Hide and Require Face Idaho and click on Hide App. The app will disappear from the home screen. To unhide the app, swipe to the app library, scroll down to the hidden section, and unlock it with Face ID. Once there, long press the app again and select Don't Require Face Idaho to make it visible again. That's how you hide and unhide apps on an iPhone using iOS 18. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.